Power versus speed. Who wins? Bald eagle, 8-foot wingspan, 14 pounds of pure power. Peregrine Falcon, the fastest animal alive, 200 plus miles per hour. Eagles got crushing talons and can spot prey from 2 miles away. Dives at 100 miles an hour like a freight train with wings. But the falcon, it's a living missile. Hits prey at 200 plus miles per hour. The impact alone is a knockout blow. Close combat? Eagle dominates with size and power. But if the falcon strikes first from above, that stoop could change everything. Brute strength versus lightning speed. Who wins? Drop your pick below. Team Eagle or Team Falcon?